Are you tired of that constant tingling sensation in your hands? Does numbness in your feet make every step feel uncertain? Or perhaps you experience that frustrating pins and needles feeling that seems to appear out of nowhere? What if I told you that there's a simple remedy hiding in your kitchen right now that could help restore the natural flow of signals through your nervous system? Stay with me because what you're about to discover might just change the way you think about nerve health forever. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we explore natural solutions backed by science to help you live your healthiest life. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked aspects of our health, our nervous system. You see, your nerves are like the electrical wiring of your body, carrying millions of messages every single second from your brain to every corner of your being. But when these pathways become compressed, inflamed, or blocked, everything starts to go wrong. Simple tasks become difficult, sleep becomes disrupted, and daily life loses its quality. Before we get into this powerful remedy, let me explain what's actually happening in your body when nerves become blocked. Your nervous system is incredibly complex, with nerve fibers running from your brain down through your spinal cord and branching out to every single part of your body. These nerves can become compromised for several reasons. Poor posture puts pressure on nerve pathways, especially in the neck and lower back. Inflammation from diet or injury can cause tissues to swell and compress nerves. Repetitive motions from work or daily activities create friction and irritation. Nutrient deficiencies leave nerves without the building blocks they need to function properly. And let's not forget about stress, which causes muscle tension that can trap nerves in various parts of the body. When nerves are blocked or compressed, you might experience numbness or tingling, sharp or shooting pain, muscle weakness, a burning sensation, reduced coordination, or even digestive issues if the vagus nerve is affected. The good news is that our bodies have an incredible ability to heal when given the right support, and that's exactly what this remedy provides. Now, let me share with this powerful home remedy that has helped countless people restore their nerve function naturally. You'll need just 3 simple ingredients. First, 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Second, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. And third, 1 cup of warm water. That's it. These 3 humble ingredients create a synergy that's absolutely remarkable for nerve health. Let's talk about why this works. Apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse for nerve health. It contains acetic acid, which helps reduce inflammation throughout the body. It's rich in potassium, a crucial mineral for proper nerve signal transmission. It helps balance the body's pH levels, creating an environment where nerves can heal. The B vitamins present in raw apple cider vinegar support the myelin sheath, which is the protective coating around your nerves. And it improves circulation, ensuring that nerves receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Raw honey brings its own set of benefits to this mixture. It's packed with antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative stress. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling around compressed nerves. The natural sugars provide quick energy to nerve cells. It contains trace minerals that support overall nervous system function. And it helps your body absorb and utilize the nutrients from the apple cider vinegar more effectively. Warm water serves as more than just a carrier for these ingredients. It helps dilute the apple cider vinegar, making it gentle on your stomach. It improves the bioavailability of the nutrients. It promotes relaxation of tense muscles that might be compressing nerves. And it supports overall hydration, which is essential for nerve health. Here's exactly how to prepare this remedy. In the morning on an empty stomach, take your cup and add the warm water. Make sure it's warm, not hot, as excessive heat can destroy some of the beneficial enzymes. Add 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. You want the kind with the mother, that cloudy substance at the bottom of the bottle. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of raw honey until it's fully dissolved. Drink this mixture slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. For optimal results, drink this remedy once daily for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Many people report feeling improvements within the first 2 weeks, but remember that nerve healing takes time. Your body didn't develop these issues overnight, and it won't heal them overnight either. Consistency is absolutely crucial here. But this remedy works even better when combined with supportive lifestyle practices. Gentle stretching throughout the day helps release trapped nerves. Proper posture, especially if you sit for long periods, reduces ongoing compression. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports nerve function. Managing stress through meditation, deep breathing, or yoga prevents tension-related nerve compression. And getting adequate sleep gives your nervous system time to repair and regenerate. You should also focus on eating foods rich in B vitamins like leafy greens, eggs, and whole grains. Include omega-3 fatty acids from fish, walnuts, or flax seeds. Get enough magnesium from nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. And add anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and berries to your diet. Now, while this remedy is generally safe for most people, there are a few important considerations. If you're taking medications for diabetes, consult your doctor first, as apple cider vinegar can affect blood sugar levels. Those with acid reflux should start with a smaller amount of vinegar. If you have a potassium deficiency or are on potassium-sparing medications, speak with your healthcare provider. And always dilute the apple cider vinegar. Never drink it straight, as the acidity can damage tooth enamel and irritate your throat. This remedy has helped thousands of people experience reduced numbness and tingling, improved sensation in hands and feet, better sleep quality, increased energy levels, and enhanced overall nerve function. But remember, this is a supportive remedy, not a replacement for medical care. If you're experiencing severe nerve pain, sudden loss of sensation, or symptoms that are getting progressively worse, please consult with a healthcare professional to rule out serious underlying conditions. Thank you so much for watching BioWell Hub today. Your health is your greatest wealth, and taking small, consistent steps like adding this simple remedy to your daily routine can create profound changes over time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health solutions that actually work. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've tried this remedy or if you have questions about nerve health. I read every single comment and love hearing about your experiences. Remember, your journey to better health starts with a single step, and you've already taken that step by being here today. Here's to unblocking those nerves and living life to the fullest. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay natural, and keep thriving with BioWell Hub.